We fell out of love like shooting stars came crashing down, and we're building back up again now.
Hello you guys, I'm the Diva and I'm back with another product review from Madison Reed. They hit me up again to do another review on a new product that they have out. They actually got me to do two, but as of right now I can only do one. They hit me up a while back and asked me to review their permanent hair dye system, and I loved it, you guys. I have issues with regular hair dye, so I have not been able to dye my hair for years. The last time I did, my face swelled up, my throat swelled up, my scalp swelled up. You know, I had hives all over from wherever my hair touched. I got hives from that, and I had to go to the emergency room. They gave me, I forget what they called that they gave me, but it was a shot to stop all of that was happening. And then I had to do steroid pills also. So I did not dye my hair after that. And when this company hit me up, I was like so scared. But I went online and looked, and a lot of people said that they didn't have allergic reactions to it. And so I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try, and I loved it, you guys. To this day, I still buy and use that hair dye. I haven't for a minute. COVID, you know, all of that good stuff. Well, not good, but all that stuff. So I haven't been out buying stuff like that. And you can buy it online, so I might try it that way. The new product that they have that they asked me to review is their color therapy. And you guys, I think I'm gonna like this. I feel like I should have dyed my hair first and then tried this, because this is their hair mask, and you use this 2 to 3 times a week. Some of the benefits are it adds warm bronze chestnut tones to brunette hair. It's powered by positive charge smart dye to deposit color where hair needs it most. It refreshes existing color while conditioning your hair. It is an in-shower treatment that takes just 5 minutes, and you should use it 2 to 3 times a week in place of your conditioner. And so when I looked at that part, I was like, maybe I should have used this a couple of times before doing this video, but I really wanted you guys to see the state of my hair and what it actually looks like. I want you to see it up close so that you can see my grays, because my grays are mostly in my hairline. I have a few up in here. You're not going to be able to see those because I can barely see them. And then all up in there. The grays is all up in there. But you can barely tell that they're there. The reason that I'm doing this today is because I need to wash my hair so that I can flat iron it. I have an important event for tomorrow, and I just want my hair straight. Fingers crossed that this color is not too much, because I told them that I really wanted to get the cafe color. I ended up getting the Castagna color. I ended up getting this color instead, and this is more for a light brunette, to give them a little bit more of that brunette color. And I told them that I wanted a little bit of color, like a pop, but still keep my color, and they said that this is not going to really deposit dye like that, so I should be good to go, and this should be more of like a highlight. So that's what I'm hoping, is that I get a couple of highlights on top of these grays. I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't know if that's gonna work, but that's what I'm hoping for. and a little bit of conditioning. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. And you guys, the way that my life is set up right now, I won't be able to do this in front of you guys. I'm not taking y'all to the shower. I'm too old. I feel I'm too old for that. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna shower, I'm gonna do this, and I'm going to go ahead and flat iron my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and go through the process, and then I'm gonna come back and I'll show you my results. But before I do, I want to go ahead and show you what kind of grays I'm working with. So let's go ahead and do that. As you can see, majority of my grays are in the front of my hair, like all in there, and on this side right here. And then my hair is just lackluster as far as color, so I'm hoping that this will give it a little bit of life and a little bit of vibrancy. And that's mostly all that I'm looking for, hoping for, expecting. I'm back, you guys, and I wanted to give you my thoughts, but I wanted you to also see my hair. And I love it, you guys. I really love the product for what it did to my hair. There's not that much difference because like the directions said, you're going to need to use it approximately 2 to 3 times before a week before you start seeing real results. So no, my grays are still my grays, but it did give my hair a little bit of color. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I really love the very minimal color that it did give. I really like it because it's more of like a highlighty type thing. But let me really get into what I don't like, and then I will show you close up of what my hair looks like now. I did read the packaging, and it said use a generous amount of this product, and I am probably about right here, and this is off of 1 use. This is supposed to be used 2 to 3 times a week, so this product would last me for 2 washes. This won't get me to the 3rd wash for the week. And this is supposed to be used in place of your conditioner. And I will say my hair feels fabulous. Even though it needs a trim really bad, it still feels fabulous. But you guys, this is how I buy my conditioner. This is how I buy my conditioner. Houston, we have a problem. This ain't, no. I'm gonna need for them to make this bigger. For the amount of money, I believe this is $20, and I don't know. I really like it for the fact that it is giving me color. So it is bringing back some of the vibrancy in my hair color. So I really like that. I just don't like the size. I can't with that. But I do want to still buy it. Let me come in a little bit closer and show you guys exactly how it looks up close. And I'm sorry, but I'm on my way to bed, so I'm not even gonna worry about these flyaways right now. Please be kind. Here is the up close and personal look at my hair. You guys, I'm trying to this right here, as you can see, all of my grays are still there. They're not going anywhere. They are popping right now. And but you guys, can you see like the little bit of color that this added to my hair? Oh, I just love it. That's the end of this review. I hope you found it informative. If you like the video, please click the like button. Also, make a comment below letting me know if you have picked up any of the Madison Reed products and if you like or love the company. Until next time, bye.
I'll be right back.